Sankaku-Jime.
San is 3. Kaku is the angles.
Jime, another word for shime. So obviously it's a strangulation.
There's the center. 1, 2, 3. That's the Sankaku. Here, try to get so that the back of your knee is on the front of your ankle, so that the instep now makes contact with your calf muscle on the side. Point your toes this way here, and then just go down like that, and then this is stretching out. Once you pop that leg over and you pull this knee down, it's compressing. That's what you want to do. It's a compression. The strangulation occurs here and here. That's why it's important to get your thighs right up in there. You don't need thunder thighs to do it. You just need really good technique. When somebody comes in, the idea is to grab this arm here, pull, and then push with the legs. Pull this way here, I can duck under. Pull straight here, this leaves this open right here. This one here is the one that's actually making contact with the carotid artery. This one here, you notice that my hand is straight. When he pulls it straight, okay, let go. Okay, look at where it is. You see where it is right there? That's the one that is pressing against the other side. So you have forces coming together. The other way, if you turn your body, it's effective, but you use much more muscle. I want him to practice so he gets it. So I'll take this hand down and I'll come in. He pulls it and then pow, he grabs and then there. Here. You see that? That's called what?
Uchikomis.
Uchikomis.
Fitting.
Going in and out.
Fitting, yeah.
You say fitting again, and I'm gonna shave that mustache off with a dull razor blade. Uchikomi, 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 uchikomi. And the reason for that is because you want to become very fluent in it. When you do this perfectly, you don't need any muscle at all. You just need to get the positioning perfect, and then it'll take care of itself. It isn't a matter of going in there and squeezing. They tell you, squeeze, 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 but you don't have it on properly. It works if you do the uchikomi. You take the time to practice it. Don't use any muscle, just try to get it. And here, I go to stab him, see? And he pulls me down, pulls me straight down, he drops, and then I go in, and then he has it, pow. You see? That's the battlefield. You used to get the wrastlers that way. The wrestlers always come in this way here. You watch them, and then they go to reach up like that, and they might even try down here, but if you pull this arm forward and you push the legs back, they'll go on their belly. And then you simply pull that leg up, and then you apply the Sankaku on there. All right, hi, hold on. So what it looks like is that you're having trouble because you can't get your leg over. You can't get this leg over to do this, right?
Right? So they have a flexibility problem with the line.
Well, one, it's a flexibility challenge. Problems can be overcome. Challenges are encouraging. Learn to become more flexible. You may have to adjust. Instead of being real close, you push them and you scoot back a little, and then you see my hip? I gotta move my hip over this way here. Now I can go and catch that way. Judo does not mean gentle way. Judo means flexible way. You have to be flexible, not just in body, but in mind. That encourages critical thinking. That's what you want. And those people that continue to tell people judo is the gentle way are fundamentally uneducated in the martial art of judo. If I come in here and he grabs low here, go ahead, pull. Look at how far he has to pull. Now if he grabs up here, pull. See here, look at how he comes right forward. And that's the same thing in throwing techniques. If I grab up here and I pull, see how quickly he comes? If I grab here and I pull, Look at how long it takes. And by that time, he can already ascertain what's going to happen, so he's already got a counterattack in mind. So that's the technique part. That's the best use of energy, Seiroku Zenyo.
ありがとう